Okay, welcome back to our channel. Are you here because your toilet paper rack is falling off the wall? What's the problem? Before we get into this video, give it a thumbs up on the way in, and let's see how we can fix a problem like this. Well, you're probably thinking, it's simple. It's very simple. Just get a new toilet paper rack. Just get a new bracket and put it on the wall. But you probably don't have an extra pile of money to do that. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this with little cost. Well, you're probably asking yourself, what for tools do I need to fix this? That's a great question because you don't really need many. Most people just have these. Find yourself a Phillips screwdriver. If you don't have one, I'll put a description. I'll put one in the description below. Allen wrench. Now this is just an old set that I had laying around, but I'll put an inexpensive one in the list below. And an anchor kit. So what do we have going on here? It looks like this side of the toilet paper rack fell out. Come out of the wall. Oh, brother. Well, there's a few things you can do here. You could fill those holes all in with putty and sand them off and do all that good stuff. Or, I have an idea. Use these big thick anchors and screw those in here like that. Put one in each hole and the third one right here. Screwdriver and just run them in. And you just kind of put them in to flush. Don't have to be in too far. You might be asking, why wouldn't I just use a drill? It'd be quicker. Well, by the time I go dig my drill out, I could have them all in. It don't have to be real flush, because if you run them in too flush and go in past, and then you'll strip out the drywall. Now you can see what this looks like on the back side. There's a screw right here, and if you look in there, it's an Allen. So just loosen that up. That'll bring that screw up that has that point on the end right there, and allow this bracket right here to come off. Stick that in there, and we'll turn this out. Don't want to run that screw out the whole way because then you'll lose it, and this piece comes off. Then we stick the 3 screws in like this and run the screws in. Now it is taking a long time to run them in, so I went and grabbed my quick $20 handy dandy drill. Don't run it in too far. And then I'll snug it up with the Phillips screwdriver. Like that, and like that. So it's nice and tight. Now you take this and put it back on. You can see those 2 tabs sticking out there, and then you got the screw at the bottom. Stick it on there like that. Run your screw in here and make it nice and tight. Now we can grab the toilet paper thing in there, and look at that. How about that? Now it's nice and tight. Another job well done. Thank you for watching. If you've seen this video helpful, make sure you give us a thumbs up on the way out. And guess what? We got more projects to do around the house. If you're a homeowner, you know what that's all about. So until the next time, have a wonderful day.